In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp broadcast list. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Next, go to the Chats tab and tap the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. After that, select New Broadcast from the menu options. Now, choose the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list. These should be people who have your number saved in their contacts, otherwise they may not receive your messages. Next, confirm your selection and create the broadcast list. After that, you will see your new broadcast list in your chat screen, just like a regular group chat, but messages are sent individually to each contact. Now, type your message and send it. Everyone in the broadcast list will receive it as a private message in their own chat. Finally, you can reuse the broadcast list anytime to send updates, promotions, or announcements without creating a group. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a WhatsApp broadcast list. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.